Wow, I'm back at it.
Why?
What is up, you guys? So I'm making this video because I made a previous video of how to connect two LED light strips, showing you this really quickly. This is the finished product, and so I had like so many comments saying it didn't work for me. So I'm making this video to simplify the process that I demonstrated in the last video, and so this is going to be so much simpler, so much easier for anyone looking to connect two LED light strips. I'm just going to get right to the point because that's the whole point of the video. So here we go. Bada bing. This is it, guys. So I know this doesn't look like anything special, but it is a bag of LED light strip connector pieces that I bought on Amazon. And this is what is going to solve everyone's problems. So many LED light strip packs only come with lights, the box to connect it, and like a controller, but they don't come with any connector pieces. So the good thing about this pack is it has all the different kind of connector capabilities that you would want. It has these longer strips, then you got several of these little clips in there. I like to use this one. And then they have this piece in here. This is for if you want your LED lights to split into two. And then it comes with like a couple of these. This is to connect to the end of a cut LED light strip. And then this end can just connect to any other female version of this. I don't really know, but I'll put like a screenshot up here or somewhere of the Amazon page of these. And then I will put a link in the description for these bad boys. I just wanted to do a quick demonstration. I'm just gonna show you guys how to do it for each type, and it's really simple, but anyways, I'll get into that. All right, guys, this is it. I'm just gonna show you real quick how to connect two light strips together using these connector pieces that come in the Amazon full pack set connection pieces. So just for sake of example, I'm not gonna do real ones, just I have some props here. So starting off with this little one, all you do is open these up here. There's two little flaps. Hold up. Yeah, you open this up like that. Boom, boom. The only thing that you could mess up on doing this is making if this was upside down. So you want to make sure that these 12 plus G, R, and B are all in alignment with each other, because if you were to connect your lights like this and they're not connecting with the correct one, it would mess it up and your lights would not work correctly. So make sure that it's all aligned, and then you're ready to go. So just a quick tip for you guys, when it comes to putting these light strips in here, I found it easiest to grab like a utility knife, and I put it underneath these metal things, and then I just pronged each one of them up a little bit so that the light goes underneath them smoothly. It's kind of hard to just shove them under there, if you know what I mean. So yeah, I would prop them all up like that, and then grab the end of your light strip and just put it underneath those, just like that. Boom, boom. So slide it under those, and then clamp that side down. Make sure it clicks, and then do the exact same thing for this side. So I'll just take this underneath these metal pieces, prong them all up a little bit. So once they're propped up, you grab that, grab the end of the other one, slide it under, and just like that, clamp it down. And that is exactly how it's done, guys. Super simple, super easy. Just wanted to demonstrate it on camera. So it's really just the same for all of these, but that's how it's done. I wanted to show you guys my light setup. I'll show you guys what they look like. So right up here is where I previously had my old connection strategy right there, and it was just really janky. So as you can see, I put one of those little ones in there, and then that ended up working a lot better for all these lights around here. And then I did another small connector up there. And I actually forgot to mention this connector piece was in the bag earlier, but in this corner I have the setup of the L-shaped connector piece, and so that comes in the package as well. So that's what my lights look like. Yeah. So anyways, guys, it's been a long time since I've made a video, so I want to just do a huge shout out to all the people who have been subscribing to my channel. I have like 900 subscribers at this point, so I'm really thankful. Thank you all for subscribing. I love you all, and I'm gonna continue to make more videos for you guys. So guys, that's it for this video. I hope you liked it, and let me know in the comments if you guys have questions. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.